In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to delete a wallpaper. As you can see, I have wallpaper right here on the iPhone 16 Pro Max. It's really easy to do. Now, it works on all iPhone 16s, but without further ado, first thing you need to do is you actually need to be logged into your phone like so. Now, you just need to enter in your passcode. You can be on this screen, but you actually have to be logged into your phone. Or from here, you swipe down from the top of the screen, and you actually just want to click on the option. Just hold on the middle of the screen. Or from here, you can see all of my wallpapers. If you just want to actually delete any of these wallpapers like so, the camera's out of focus, all you need to do is you actually just want to swipe up on this wallpaper like so. Just swipe up like this from the very middle, click on the trash can option right here, and that will actually delete this wallpaper on your phone. Now, if you don't want to delete them, don't do it, but that is basically how you delete a new iPhone 16 wallpaper like so. And you can see if I swipe up, click on the little trash can option, it will say delete this wallpaper, and we just want to click on the yes option. Just click on it and it will delete the wallpaper like so. And yeah, if you click on the new wallpaper, go back to the home screen, you can see now we're just back on the wallpaper and it's been deleted if we go back to that screen.